In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a subdomain name on a Cloudways site. Whether you're restructuring your website or just making an update, changing your subdomain can seem daunting, but I'm here to make it simple and straightforward. Let's dive in and get started. First, navigate to the Cloudways platform. It's a comprehensive managed cloud hosting service that simplifies hosting for your applications. Open your web browser and head to the Cloudways website. Here, everything begins, so make sure you're on the right page to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're on the Cloudways homepage, you need to log in. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password carefully to avoid any mishaps, and then proceed by clicking on the login button. If you have two-factor authentication set up, make sure to complete this step as well to ensure your account security. After successfully logging in, you will land on the Cloudways dashboard. This area is your control center for managing everything related to your cloud hosting. Familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. From here, locate the My Applications section. This section is crucial because it lists all the applications and sites you have on Cloudways. Click on My Applications to proceed. Next, navigate to Domain Management. This is where the bulk of our task will be done today. Once you're in Domain Management, look for the option to add a domain. This is usually straightforward to find. Click on Add Domain and a new interface will appear, allowing you to add and configure a domain. You'll now be prompted to enter the new subdomain that you wish to replace the old one with. Carefully type in the new subdomain, ensuring that there are no typos or extra spaces, as these could result in a connection error or failure. After entering the new subdomain, confirm your action and let the settings update. This might take a minute or two. Patience is key here while the changes propagate through the system. Once the subdomain update is complete, it's wise to perform a quick check to make sure everything is running smoothly. Visit your site using the new subdomain in the URL and ensure that all content and features are as they should be. If anything seems off, retrace your steps to ensure that each stage was completed accurately. And there you have it, a new subdomain all set up and ready to go on your Cloudways site. By following these steps carefully, you've ensured a seamless and efficient transition. Thanks for following along and happy hosting.